Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at this digital voice recorder that doesn't really have a name except for that. Digital voice recorder. It has all this stuff that I'm not going to read all of that to you. It says professional, which good luck with that. And let's just take it out of the box first, because I bought this for a reason. And yeah, I didn't pay a lot for it, so I'm not going to lie to you and say, oh yeah, it's one of these and that and that. Okay, so this was one of those couple bucks purchases, and it actually works really good, and you'll see in a minute. Now, I'm not going to compare it to my main studio recorder that you're hearing me right now, so you have to forget that. Here's the user's manual, and if I can take it off the box, that would be great. I put it in the side. The rest of the box, there's peripherals and other stuff. Okay, there's a micro USB, of course, obviously, because, you know, we're talking about high-end stuff, and if it doesn't have a micro USB, it's not good. And here are some very high-end headphones that you probably haven't seen since the 90s or early 2000s. Look at these beauties that I am 100% not going to show or test on this video. Deal with it. And now here's something interesting that, yes, I will show and test on this video. It's a lavalier microphone. This is actually a nice touch to include on this box. It may not be the highest quality. You have to just deal with that part. It's the lav right here with a clip. And no, it's not rotatable or unmountable, except for if you want to completely take it out of it. It comes off like that on a rail, and you put it back on this clip here. And here is our recorder itself. Now, the recorder, actually, it's not bad. Let me pull this tab here, because I did not even open it yet. Oh, that feels good. Okay. And now, after we've done that, let's turn it on. Well, let's see what's around it first. There's a power button on and off. There is a USB cable input or port, whatever you want to call it, which serves for charging and transferring data, which is the audio files to your computer. There's a headphone jack, which this one acts as an MP3 player as well if you want to. There is a microphone jack, which is a 3.5 millimeter. Both of them. There is right here the menu. Here's the modes, which you can go modes from recording from this microphone to the internal microphones on top here, or to the MP3 player. And the other one is volume up and down, and this is the hold or the lock button. On top, it features two microphones, which, you know, they look like almost like microphones. There's a lanyard thing here. And here's something that you can pull and have fun peeling off, which for some reason, I never get tired of doing this one. And let me see. Oh, yeah. Let's enjoy this together. Okay. Oh, that was good. This one was good. It's a 32 gigabyte, which is more than enough for what we're gonna do. And let's power it on. You flip the switch, and the screen is one of those monochrome screens. Blue, the shading is blue. There's nothing else blue on it. And as you see, it's on the exterior microphone right now. And let me hit the mode right here. And let's wait for it to switch. Now it's in music mode. And now I think it's in the inner microphone, if I'm not wrong, but I think that is detected manually, automatically, if I'm not wrong. It detects that part automatically. Anyway, let me click it here on this one, and if you double click here, it will start recording, and we will test how that recording goes, or how it sounds. Let me double click it. And I'm going to put these two microphones maybe 5 to 10 inches from my mouth and see how that sounds. And right now it is recording. And I am approximately 10-15 inches from the microphone itself. And as you hear, guys, I don't know how it's going to sound in the end production, but just to see that it is from this one, let me tap on the microphones. And this is the tappy tap that we're talking about. Now let me stop the recording. And the recording stopped, 31 seconds. Okay, now let's put in the lavalier microphone. And it goes here on this side, which is boom, just like that. That's all it takes. I'm going to clip the lavalier. I'm actually not even going to clip the lav microphone. I'm just going to get closer myself. So you see the microphone too. and I'm gonna talk from here and see how that goes, right? Okay, let me double click this again. Looks like it detected the external microphone automatically. Double click here. And now it should be recording from this one right here, from this lavalier microphone. And I'm pointing it to myself now, and I'm talking to this microphone. Let me put it a little bit closer to me. And now, right now, I have clipped this lavalier, if I can. Okay, now this lavalier microphone is clipped on my shirt, so approximately 7 inches from my chin. And I'm talking straight forward and not pointed towards the lavalier microphone. And let me take it out of there. And let's do the tappy tap here. Yes, it is from this one. And let's pause the record, stop the recording. But the main point of this one, why I think this is a very nice device for a couple of bucks, huh? This is not $1 million. It's for somebody that, if you don't have a better microphone to hold on your sub, because obviously you can't hold your phone to your mouth the whole time when you're recording a video with a phone, or your camera doesn't have a good internal microphone and all that yada yada yada. But you have a microphone laying around somewhere, for example, you don't want to use the internal, you don't want to use the lavalier that comes with it. Well, how about using this one here? It's my Rode microphone. These are actually not the cheapest. This is the Rode microphone, original. Let me put it back on the DadCat, and I'm gonna connect this Rode microphone to this device, and it actually records from this microphone, so you can put it on your cold shoe, because this is a cold shoe, and start recording separately on this device. And then in the post-production, you simply synchronize the clip with the video, the audio with the video. That's all, at least how I do it, and I've done it all my life when I recorded video. And let me insert this here. Okay, and now let me hit record and record from this weird thing here. And now it's recording from the Rode microphone. And let me tap on it. This is from the Rode microphone. And let me go a little bit closer. Yes, now I'm talking on the Rode microphone, testing it on this non-descriptive recording device that I don't know what to tell you. And we'll see. You will hear this sound on post-production, because obviously I cannot hear myself while I'm recording it. And with that said, yeah, this was recording from the Rode microphone. And no, I'm not going to test headphones, because that's not really the primary reason of having a device like this. Primary reason of having a device like this is for recording purposes. And no, it unfortunately does not feature a removable micro SD card or any other external removable memory functions or storage functions. And yes, I'm having to tilt the screen towards this way, because somehow the screen quality is just so high that if I flip it this way, right now you are 90 degrees from the camera, you see the numbers look faded. But to me in person, they're not faded. There's somehow when you put it straight to the camera, they look faded. But yeah, this was this device that I don't really know what to call it. And yes, it has FM radio, MP3 players that I said, stereo recording, all that, it's listed here. And the battery seemed to hold pretty good. I unpacked it before I did this video, and I held it maybe, I don't know, it was like 20 minutes. I just left it on and recording. That's all I did with it. I didn't really pay attention to the quality or anything else on it. But in my case, it actually worked pretty good. So I think it's pretty good if you have nothing else and you have a couple bucks laying around. And with that said, I think that concludes this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!